Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will tell you about new custom ROM. This ROM is for Redmi 5 Rosy. Let's check the specification and the name of this ROM. About phone. Here you can see this is VOS 2.5 ROM for Redmi 5 Rosy. Let's check the software information. Here is the 2.5 version, VOS version, Android version. Here you get the Android version Pie. As you can see, Android Pie 100% working. Here you get 1 January patch 2020. Kernel, you can see the kernel. Now let's check the specification, features of this ROM and the bugs in this ROM for Redmi 5 Rosy. Do not install this ROM in any Android device other than Redmi 5 Rosy. Let's check the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is 100% working, no problem in Wi-Fi. Our hotspot and Wi-Fi hotspot is 100% working. There is no bug in hotspot. Bluetooth is also 100% working. You can see error. Sometimes hotspot gives you error, but it is 100% working. Here you can see hotspot is 100% working. No problem in hotspot. Let me turn off the hotspot. Our phone can be easily detected via USB in PC. Geo is 100% working. Volt is 100% working. Here you can see Volt and Geo is 100% working. Now let's check the features of this ROM. Bluetooth is also working. Now let's check the brightness. Brightness level is 100% working. Here you can see 100% brightness working using high brightness level for gamma vision make age eye strain. You can see adaptive brightness is 100% working, no problem in adaptive brightness. Let's check the night light. Here you can see night light is also working. Here you can check the intensity. This is also working. No problem. Auto rotate screen is also working. Let's check the screensaver. Here you get the screensaver. You can check according to your use. If there is a ambient display, this is always on display, always on show time. If you want only lift to check the phone, you can enable this. If you want always on display, you can also enable this. Now let's check. Here you can see always on display is 100% working. There is time, date, week. Here you can see month also, battery percentage, HD and notification. Device theme, you can change the device theme to the dark also, light also. This is dark, not black. This is only dark. Here is the control panel. Here you can see control center. Font size, you can change the font size also. Navigation bar, adjust navigation bar, full navigation bar, hide navigation bar. If you want back button here, swap the back button. You can swap the back button from left to right. Here are the navigations also. Full navigation bar, you can change the adjust navigation bar, hide navigation bar. There is no gestures. Let me check. This is gestures. The use of this gestures is different from Android Q, Android MIUI 9 gestures. Here you will get the recent apps. From here it is back. It is home page. From here home recent apps, back. Change icon, square, tear down. Here you can change the icons also. Here you can see round, square. Here you can see you can change the icon according to your user. You can choose home screen only, home and app screen. Use simple mode, you can check according to your user. Now let's check the lock screen. Let's check the fingerprint. The fingerprint is working or not. Here you can see. Let's check the fingerprint. The fingerprint is working. This touch here, don't touch here. This ROM is ported from the phone, from that device in which there is a display fingerprint sensor. Here you can see it is working properly. Let's check the speed. Tap, open. Opening speed is normal. Here you can see not fast, not late. It is okay. not better than MIUI. This is ported ROM for Redmi 5 Pro Z. Now let's check the face unlock. Face unlock is not working in our device. Let's show. I will show you. Here you can see face unlock does not work. Face ID not working. Smart lock. Here you get the smart lock. Here you get only one thing you can download. You can easily download. Here are the wallpapers. Now let's check the sound and vibration. Sound mode, vibrating and ringing. Vibration and sound is 100% working. Let's check the sound. How louder is the sound? How much louder is the sound? Prevent, ringtone, mute, alarm, fluty, flutty, phone, free. Sound is very loud. Ringtone is very loud, no problem. Vibration is 100% working. Here is touch sound. Touch sound is also working. Now let's check the security. Here is the security data protection. Wipe data when you erase data after 10 failed petals. Password. Here you get all the security location also. Accounts and backup. Here is the backup. You cannot log in Google Play Store without installing latest GMS. You have to install first. You have to install GMS, then you can easily log in Google Play Store. Without GMS, you cannot log in. The battery performance of this ROM is okay. Battery drain is almost same as other ported ROMs. Here are the gestures. Flip to mute. Lift to check phone. Lift to check phone is working. No problem in lift to check. Here is the system reset option. You can reset your phone from here. Now let's check the PUBG test and do the benchmark test. Here are the apps. You got only few apps: calculator, clock, dual apps, files, themes. Camera is provided in this ROM, so you can flash Google Camera. Link is in the description. Here you also get the security update. System update is available in this ROM. When I connected with the Wi-Fi, this is showing a system update. I will download it and check. Use cellular data. Let's check if it is downloading or not. 0% of 230 MB. Enhancement of the user experience and user interaction, sound quality improvement. It is downloading. Here you can see. I will update you in the description if it is working or not. Now let's check the PUBG test. This is the first time I am launching the game in VUS ROM. I have set the graphics to balanced and medium. Let's check the lag and performance. This is the first time I am starting the ROM game. Here you can see there is lag. In first time there may be lag in the game, so you have to wait. Here you can see this ROM does not give you better performance, or I have tried this ROM. Here you can see not best performance. It lags sometimes, not sometimes but always. The overall performance of this ROM is in PUBG is not best. You will not get the gaming quality in this ROM. For better performance, try custom ROM. So don't install this ROM for PUBG. After entering into recovery mode or Wi-Fi mode, you have to back up your data. These are the 5 items you have to select. These 5 items, tick and select storage. Do not back up in internal storage. If you want to back up in internal storage, then you have to transfer it to the PC. After backup, you have to transfer this backup to PC. After selecting these, confirm. Swipe to confirm. Here your backup will start. When your backup is complete, then click on wipe. Format data, type yes. Here you can see your internal storage will be formatted. All the files in the internal storage will be removed. Then advanced wipe, Dolby system data cache. Here you can see Dolby system vendor data cache. Here you have to select these 5 items, then swipe to wipe. This will remove the old OS, old ROM from your device. Now click on install storage. Now you have to transfer your files. I will tell you where you have to transfer the file. Let's click on install. Here in the internal storage you have to transfer it to TreeDoRP. Then you have to create a backup folder in this TreeDoRP folder. Then click on backup. Here you have to paste the file. Here you have to paste the file. As you can see, I have pasted the file in backup folder, TreeDev backup. Then paste this file. Now go back. Now click on restore. Here you will get the file TreeDev 2020-01 patch. Then click on this file. Here you will see boot system vendor. You have to take all the 3 items. Here you can see boot system image. You have to take. Then swipe to restore. This ROM will be restored. You have to wait a few minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. Then now here you can see that our restore has been completed. It took 158 seconds. Now click on reboot system. To note if you want to install TreeDev API, you can swipe to confirm. If you don't want to install, to click on do not install. From here you can see the MI logo. After MI logo you will see the BOS ROM logo. You have to wait few minutes. It will take few minutes to boot your device, and your device will be rebooted 2 times, so don't worry. So this is the vSmart logo. Here you can see the vSmart. This is the logo of BOS ROM. Hit the like button if you like the video, and subscribe our channel for daily updates.